opened up the back of the house actually. So we've got actually 2 lines. I'm gonna give you a quick glimpse out the back door. Excavator on site. Things are backfilled, gravel in, just started framing here today. We'll probably have the floor in here tomorrow. And onto the second floor, maybe early next week. Just in the middle of framing out the back wall. Got a wall stood up this morning and opened up the back of the house actually. I had to redo a whole bunch of stuff. We figured we'd just make it all new, make it all solid, structurally sound. The engineer should be happy as well too. We'll get a nice solid shear wall on the back because we had to delete 2 windows, actually make 1 window smaller, delete a door, and open up a bigger sliding door into the new addition. 10-foot wall stood up this morning. Make new window, opened up the whole back of the house right now, and we're gonna make this nice and solid. We got all our trusses sitting on here as well. So this is the one window, making different size. Doorway opened up, and trusses are gonna sit up on top of the old roof. We should be able to stick these up on the roof here tomorrow. We're able to pull in the water lines here today. Plumbers are gonna hook these up. We planned ahead here, so we've got actually 2 lines. One of them's for the house, new 1.25-inch line, get them plenty of water pressure, and then a 1-inch line is going to go to the back of the house for a future laneway house. There you have it. We'll give you an update again here tomorrow. Anyways, tune in next time. Sean here with Caissie Construction.